Right, hello everybody. Right, we found a leak. Not good. Right, you better go over that way so I'll get you to might pump it again. Then I can get it to start spraying again. Oh, for this. Right. Not yet, Liam. I'll tell you when. Right, go. Right, whoa. It's already coming out already. There you go. It's coming out of there. And you can see it is literally spraying out. Now, yesterday when we done this, all this had pressure. And this is what happens after 10 years of a car being stood. You got pressure, you pump it up, and then boom. Something stupid like this can happen. That's why you should always check your car properly before you actually go out on the road. So I have no idea. I've never done one of these before. Don't know a great deal about Maxis. Forge, yeah. Maxis, no. I just wanted something different for a change, and I have no idea what that's going to cost, or even know how it even comes apart. So that's now buggered that up because there's no pressure whatsoever, and she's leaning real bad on one side. So not good. So everything we hoped would happen. I mean, to get it back up level again, I got to put the jack under, and it jacks up that much just to get the back up. So this is now annoying. This has now put me on a hold again. Like I said, I don't know a great deal about Maxis. I don't know. I've owned them in the past, but never owned them long enough. I mean, I just drove them and then got rid of them. I mean, I did not necessarily mean I didn't like to drive them. They're nice to drive, but things like that happens. Oh, give me glove back. When things like that happens, it really does put you on a downer afterwards, because like it's 10 years that's been stood. We put this on yesterday. We had pressure, and now they've got nothing, zilch, because kaput. So obviously something's just by pumping it up. It decided to give. It'd been alright if it just been a pipe, but no, it had to be something a bit more major. So, like I said, I have no idea. Don't know a great deal about Maxis. So now that's left me well and truly annoyed and pissed off. Oh dear. And that's why all this rust is on the floor down here, because that's come out the spear. And that's what it seems like it's coming out of the spear. I don't know how much it's going to cost, so I don't even know if I can get them. So it's a bit of a problem. The funds are very low, and looks like I'm going to be stuck for this one for the moment, so I can sort something out about that. Things were looking up yesterday, and now back down again. Oh dear. Oh well, that's the drawing board. Let's crack on. I don't know. I don't even know how I'm going to flip in. I'll have to put axle stand or something underneath it to keep it up, because it looks terrible leaning to one side. Yeah, I'll put axle stand underneath just to keep it up, because all the leaking's coming from the rear, not really from the front. It's just all come from the rear. So let's see what we can suss out about that, I suppose. And if I don't even know where I'm going to find one or what I'm going to do. That is just really annoying and buggered me up now, really. Like I said, I'd never fitted one before. Well, I'd never even took one apart before. Oh well. go to the Haynes manual and have a look, I suppose. Read the Bible and see if it works. Alright, please like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.